How do you accept the gifted deposit for a mortgage application? A lot of people think this is quite a straightforward process, and it can be. However, there are 3 big mistakes that can be made that can potentially get your mortgage application declined. So make sure you stay tuned to this if you're looking at buying a property and getting a gifted deposit, and make sure you stay tuned for the final tip that can make this whole process a lot easier for you. My name is Anthony from Bulk Mortgages, and if you want to find out more about the mortgage process and you like this video, it'd be amazing if you could press the like button and also hit subscribe so you can see future videos about the whole mortgage buying process. Mistake number 1 in receiving a gifted deposit is receiving a deposit from abroad. Although this can be accepted by most lenders and the majority of countries can still be qualified as a reasonable place to get your deposit from, there are quite a few blacklisted countries out there that can cause an issue when you are getting a gifted deposit. So when you're speaking to your mortgage broker and starting the mortgage process, it's vital that you tell them exactly where your deposit's coming from. And if it is coming from overseas, be very transparent as to where it's coming from to prevent yourself wasting time and applying for the mortgage with the lender not being able to accept the deposit from that country. Mistake number 2 is accepting cash as a gifted deposit. As you can imagine, lenders and solicitors want to see the source of where your deposit has initially come from. If you're getting a gifted deposit from a parent who has it in their account, that's a lot easier to prove than being gifted cash. So because it doesn't fit with money laundering regulations, solicitors and mortgage companies will not be able to accept the gifted deposit in cash. Mistake number 3 is getting a gifted deposit from someone who's not a family member. Although you can still get a mortgage agreed if your deposit is from a close friend, there are a lot of lenders out there that need the gifted deposit to come directly from an immediate family member. So grandparents, parents, brothers or sisters. If you're very transparent up front and explain this to your mortgage advisor, when they're carrying out the research, they can make sure that they are looking at lenders that will allow you to get your gifted deposit directly from a friend. Another tip as to what lenders will need when you are getting a gifted deposit is they would need a letter from the gifter explaining the money that you are giving is a gift. It doesn't require any repayment as it's not a loan, and you do not hold any interest in the property. If you found this video helpful and you want to be educated on the home buying process and the mortgage process, as for some reason they teach you nothing like this in school, hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any new videos that we do, and also there's a link to another video here that you can click on and find out a bit more about this home buying process.